So guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's about Jake One, our Backronics banger video. So today we realized we now upload some videos some past few weeks because my channel been slowed down for some reason. Yeah, so today I'm gonna come with a video now. It's not a story time all me to take long, but it's a little story. No, not really story. I wanna go interview something like. But if you like interview on my channel, just must smash like button, subscribe, and the post notification bell. So everybody know about the Vybz Kartel return, right? Vybz Kartel is not a free man. So we all watch videos with Vybz Kartel being out. So stay tuned for that. Remember to like, comment, share, and drop a subscribe. We're already 2K. So if you watch before you watch a video, my video it's actually go 2K before you watch it. Alright? Then drop some rest a video for now. So for you have to do, one back talking, go get into videos then. Start the screen recording now.
Every day can't be busy. Every day can't be busy. You them a prayer. Every day can't be the same. Them a wonder how we do it, but I judge out for you. Freedom sweet. Welcome people, welcome back to Dancehall Star. Vybz Kartel is free. The court appeal just ruled that he and his three co-accused should not be retried for murder. Freedom, a day before Jamaica celebrates Emancipation Day, caps on almost 13 years journey of arrest, trial conviction and a successful appeal. So, I know my people, man, Vybz Kartel, the real boss, has been freed. His three co-accused should not be retried for murder. Freedom, a day before Jamaica celebrates Emancipation Day, caps on almost 13 years journey of arrest, trial conviction and a successful appeal. So, I know my people, Vybz Kartel, the real boss, has been freed.
Hear that? The real boss is free. So who don't turn Kingston now? And watch it a video.
Yeah man, and just a day before Emancipation Day and the man get free of my people. So you know, say yo, it's serious. Some people say yo, him should get free. Some people say yo, it's about.
Just watch it. Before you reach downtown Kingston, yeah? Some people are saying forget it.
Yeah man, and just a day before Emancipation Day and the man get free of my people. So you know, say yo, it's serious. Time because the judge them and the jury them can't find nothing on him again because the old whatever them did I use back in the past can't use again my people, so them have to get new things plus it will cost them a lot of money. So instead for them basically pay so much money them have to free him, so he has been freed up. So definitely stay tuned. Because the old
hating to 5, struggling at his 9 to 5.
So them have to get new things, plus it will cost them a lot of money. So instead, for them basically pay so much money, them have to free him, so he has been freed up. So definitely stay tuned.
Hating his 9 to 5, struggling at his 9 to 5.
Alright, so we end this screen record. Alright, so you see that now. You get freed. You get free now from basically prison. So that is it. We're gonna watch one more video again. This vlogger person named Teradan. We're gonna hear him August about the free of Vybz Kartel. You see it. So we'll just get another video.
On that day, no run on me, never been up on that day. Teradan, I'm a lot of place, you know. I give you the best review. People, Pumba blood clot. You don't know, say we're dark again. Lockdown Whitehall. Gunshot from southern till night. People, Vybz Kartel is now a free man. Free.
You know that Vybz Kartel is not a free man. Ersker.
Free. Yeah, so the free sound and then a joke thing, viewers and subscribers, I'm excited if you telling the news. You see me? It passed due. Remember, say I've been telling you from a long time, say, him go free that area and I know the year can come. See the area. Vybz Kartel is now a free man. July the 31st, 2024. Vybz Kartel is now a free person walking down Pum Pum Street, brawling.
Yo, bro. I've got to cut out this.
Take out this, bro.
I've got to take out this, bro. Man's are walking down.
Pum Pum Street.
Peace, Pum Pum Street.
Bro, we can mute
Bro,
this,
we can mute this, bro. We can
Let me
mute this,
say,
bro.
people, this is nothing ordinary. This is so exciting for dancehall. And let me tell you why I say so. The dog go forward back. The dog can go the rightful hospital, get him treatment and bring back him vocal strings and deliver some blood clot music. Him I'm gonna make some ratting.
Yo, Terror. So, cause one of the man, just the boss. Oh, no. Terror, first of all, no, the man out there, Terror.
Season man, very scary man.
Season man,
Very
very
boss, you know.
scary man. A real boss, you know.
Money, bro, let me tell you this, man. Me see people that talk about Vybz Kartel carrying pan top because theme time pass. Remember, say them man I run the place about 10 years straight consecutive, you know. Till artists where they are road. I say, listen, you no stop key, you view our come can't win, him alone a win. But that different, that not nothing to do with me. Kartel have the place under chokehold right now. This is the most exciting news a person could ever hear in them life when they must serve life in prison. You understand? At no point in time, Vybz Kartel has ever shaped towards the outcome of his trial in 2014 when he gets sentenced to life imprisonment and him not eligible for parole until him serve at least 35 years behind bars. All of accused them of walk down Pum Pum Street. All of the dog them say they never did get no pum pum and them deprived of a sexual future. Them are gonna start get pussy like nothing. You understand? So if a pussy are the main concern, trust me, that won't be any concern. Because Kartel is going to be the hottest person for the next couple of years, at least the time when spend in a prison. So all of who were lazy and sit back who they make one little money put in them pocket. All of who are farm them little one gang and them little one tea. Member Kartel come back and in there upon Pum Pum Street. No joke. Him no lock behind the grill. We have to take time to talk on him phone and then sitting there. Come on, him there now. So we can tell us a phone in talk, but a phone in voice, everything pan. And me can better any money. Put any artist in a film shows, me I tell them can survive one day. And first the man can go in at the nice fucking studio. With the nice treatment, the nice everything without having to say, yo, police are come, yo, water come, yo, dog done. Like I've got him could take all a nice vocal and water come and fuck up the whole of that. Take him phone every day, stress him every day. And the man still there prison. And the man I say, jump in at the shower, fuck the girl when she have been at the shower, fuck the girl when she
Ordering KFC online is so easy.
and the man I say, God, remember, the teacher there and him a go rain your blood clot. You think say burial and none of them think the wicked? Look and rain. The man go rain down the
Yo, man said brother think very wicked. Brother was the wickedest hurricane.
Wait,
Wait, the Kartel like wickedest though. Skirt.
whole fucking place, dog. You see me? A whole heap of people don't understand how serious the G is, you know, when it come on to him career in a dog. And you see, if you take a career serious like Massacre, them and them man there, them are going to rain to, you know. But you see, all of the man them will take music with joke thing. Look at this blood clot, yeah. Look how the dancehall keep up. Jesus, peace. Look at music. Music gone back in a music ground. You understand? Come out of the boogie, you're gonna fuck with them, man. Trust me, man. I want to know. Yo, right now, me I do the review. The amount of message when me I get, dog. People that text me from all walks of life. My phone can't stay buzzing. I have to put it on silent. You think I'll give it a time I cut up the review, yeah? Because people are ringing on my phone and I forget to set it up on load. The amount me carry it. Twitter ring often, me carry put it on silent, bro. You understand? No joke. Viewers and subscribers. Free up. Adults that we are talking about. And subscribe, leave an opinion in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you think. I got happen right now. Review. So I know him can continue. Eat a million sheet, you know why you that. You understand? So you could have hide till God come, them go take picture of you. And we're gonna see some new picture circulate when time cartel their road.
Yo.
Yeah, so
Don't screen record now. There are more videos out there. But this cartel is out. So more videos coming up. Me not quit doing videos now. Me not quit doing the reviewing now. But there's more review coming soon. But for now, if you edit them to and post, because I'm ready to post. So yeah, so you soon know. Yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe and the post notification. World Boss is now out. So when you see all them video there, when you see when you walk out and see you get them thing there. You get insurance and you see. So cartel is out. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you back in the next review or next video. I'm off for now.